Hey, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. Just wanted to show you the final results of the quick plastic trim repair. I took my JB Weld quick weld, which is transparent, and that was the key point. I'll take you in a little closer here. So this was cracked from about here to down past here. And it was a small seam to work with, but getting the clamps and that paint stirrer seemed pretty good. There's a little bit of a split in the plastic here, but other than that, I think it came out quite nice just for a quick repair. While I was waiting for the hour for it to cure, I just go ahead and do the little extras. You know, she's a smoker. She had a lot of ashes and whatnot along the door, along the rocker panel. You know, there was a little bit of dirt here. Her armrest had some dirt on it, some of the dash. And I've got some plush microfiber in my ONR rinseless wash. So I just gave it a quick wipe down. You know, I shook the carpet mat out for her. She had, you know, a lot of grass and dirt and stuff like that. So she's going to go turn this in. May as well kind of, you know, spruce it up a little bit. Do a little extra for people. It'll come back. I believe in karma. So I want to thank you all for watching my channel. And I will be producing more great videos here in the near future. I just had a nice meeting with my producer, editor, camera guy, and got a new computer, and so things are progressing. Forgive me for my my first attempts at all this, but please subscribe, like, and give me a thumbs up, make some comments, because you'll want to be following this channel. This is going to get going here rather quickly, and I'm going to produce a lot of very unique, very cool videos about detailing, about driving, about cars, who knows, all kinds of stuff. So I thank you for being with me again. Take care. Bye.